Right. My name is Hans Bahr from HAGOR company in Germany. We are on ISE 23 in Barcelona, and I would like to present our new media furniture line, which is called Conline. Some different versions are available. Here you see freestand floor wall, a mobile version, and a freestanding version. And on the other side, we also have a motorized version. What is all equal is you can remove the front plate. Then you have access to the interior, and you can mount your PCs or other hardware on the mounting plate. After that is done, you just close the front plate by magnets. So then it's neat and nice. And we move over now to a version which is motorized. There is, of course, a remote control which has 4 presets. It can be moved up and down. Also, front plate is removable. And for more information, you go to www.hagor.net.